Unravel the power of, in my view, an idiomatic guide. Hello learners. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating segment of English language learning: idiomatic expressions in academic and professional contexts. Specifically, we're going to focus on the phrase, in my view, which is commonly used to express opinions in academic writing. So, buckle up and get ready to enhance your writing skills. In my view, is an idiomatic expression used to state an opinion or a personal viewpoint. The phrase shows the reader that what follows is your perspective, rather than a generally accepted fact. For instance, you might say, in my view, renewable energy sources are the key to addressing climate change. This signals that you're sharing a personal perspective on the issue of renewable energy and climate change. It's important to use the phrase, in my view, in the right context. Generally, it's best suited to academic or professional writing, where it's vital to distinguish between factual information and personal perspectives. For example, in a research paper, you might use it to introduce your interpretation of data or to present your argument. Remember, using, in my view, gives your writing a more personal and approachable tone, which can be particularly beneficial in academic discussions and debates. While, in my view, is a useful phrase, it's also important to vary your language to keep your writing interesting. Here are some alternatives. In my opinion, from my perspective, as far as I'm concerned, I believe that. Each of these phrases can be used in the same way as, in my view, helping you to express your opinion in a sophisticated and clear manner. And that's it for today. We've explored the idiomatic expression, in my view, its uses, and some alternative phrases. The next time you're writing an academic paper or engaging in a professional discussion, remember to use these expressions to articulate your opinions. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.